Hi everyone, Pete here. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a loop interrogation on the LogiFire 118 panel. Let's get started. First, enter the panel menu by navigating to System, then Programming, followed by Devices, and finally Loop. Here you will see various options, including the device type, device name, device status, and more. Let's go through each option. First, you can view the device type. Next, you can enter the device location under device name to help identify where each device is installed. The device status will show whether the device is in normal mode, fault mode, or fire mode. You can also enable or disable devices as needed. If you make any changes, be sure to select the Save function to apply them. If you need to remove a device, physically remove it and then select the Remove option to permanently delete it from the system. The Turn On function allows you to turn on the device's LED and also activate the sounder, which can be very useful during testing and maintenance. By selecting the More function twice, you can edit sounder beacons to Sound, or Strobe, or Sounder Strobe. This can help reduce distractions or indicate that a device is functioning correctly without constant blinking. And that's how you perform a loop interrogation on the LogiFire 118 panel. Thanks for watching and happy programming.